morning, everyone. I think I'll take this opportunity to introduce you to who Arista is, right? And how we can actually contribute and in which area we are playing in this entire AI ecosystem journey that the government is actually aspiring to do. So Arista as a company is very, very young, right? It was founded in 2006, right? And our first product actually came out in 2009. So we started as a data center company. So we are the pioneers when it comes to the new architectures that are actually followed in the data center space today. That is typically called the leaf and spine, right? So we started with the data centers, right? But over the years, the innovations that we have done in the networking space, right? We evolved from the data centers into the campus networks, both on the fixed side, on the wireless side. We also actually came into security, right? We have solutions which actually looks into who actually is accessing the network, what they are doing, and what action needs to be taken. Is it a legitimate traffic or no? So security is also an area that we are actually playing in, right? So from there, we actually also evolved into high-end routing, right? Typically, the kinds of network which are used in large government networks or large state networks or large service provider networks. So we have solutions around that, which we actually built in over the years, right? And if you talk today, we have one of the highest densities of platform available when it comes to 800 gig and above. We have such kind of platforms available, right? And with AI coming in, right, so we are leaders when it comes to building the AI infrastructure. So the innovations that we have done over these from 2006 up to 2025, right? So we have been able to get into the critical infrastructure of more than 10,000 customers. That includes large governments, projects, that also includes the hyperscalers. The big hyperscalers trust our technology and build their entire infrastructure using Arista technology. So till date, we have shipped more than 150 million ports. So when it comes to AI, what is so different in building an AI data centers versus a traditional data centers, right? So AI is a different animal altogether. They have different kinds of requirements, right, from the underlying network, right? So the speeds and fields that they want is more than 100 gig, 400 gig, and 800 gig. And when it comes to that kinds of ports, Arista is clearly #1 when it comes to the market share. We have the highest market share when it comes to high-speed networking, 100 gig, 400 gig, and 800 gig and beyond, right? And also, when it comes to AI, one of the critical factors is the network has to be lossless. In traditional network, it was a best effort kind of a thing, but it needs a lossless network. So we have technology built, we have multiple technologies built, which takes care of and ensures that we build a fabric which is lossless in nature, right? Apart from that, one thing that we are very proud of is our software quality, which ensures the underlying network is of high quality and is resilient. And it is very, very critical when the government is actually trying to roll out citizen services which are AI enabled, right? So it is very, very critical for you to ensure the network is up and running for you. So in short, in a nutshell, I'd just like to conclude, right? We are here to partner with the government, right, on new AI ambitions. We are there to build a robust network underlying infrastructure layer so that your AI application can perform the way you want them to perform and are able to meet the citizens' requirement. Thanks a lot.